It is a great honour for me to be speaking to you today as the new Chief of the Air Staff. I want to start by offering my sincere thanks to Sir Mike Wigston for his leadership and friendship during the unprecedented domestic and world events that characterised his time as CAS. As the Prime Minister has said, the world we live in is more volatile and contested than at any time in recent history. We've seen in Ukraine what happens when you can't achieve air superiority. We've also seen there how the rapid development and use of new technology is changing how we deliver air and space power. It's clear to me that the operational challenges are greater than we've faced for decades. The RAF needs to be ready to fly and fight. That is fundamentally why we exist. What we do is vital for the country, for our families, and for those who we fight alongside in the other services. All of us have a part to play, whether regular, reserve, civil servant or contractor. The RAF today has the most modern and capable equipment in its history. There's still more to come, but success depends on having the people and infrastructure we need to get the most out of it. That is why my top 3 priorities are our operational focus and mindset, our people, and our infrastructure. We must focus on being ready to fly and fight and get the most out of the kit we've got. We need to make sure we recruit, train, and most importantly, retain the people we need. And we must continue to invest more to improve where we live and work. For more than 100 years, the Royal Air Force has had a noble and vital purpose, protecting our country, our interests, and our people from the air. This is more important than it has been for many years. I'm very much looking forward to working with you, supporting you, and listening to your ideas over the next few years. Thank you.